Here's a certified 2014 Chevrolet Impala. Composed, confident, and capable in its design, this Impala always makes an entrance. The athletic and proud stance is impossible to ignore, and the spacious interior leaves room for everything. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, doors and push button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Chicago Tribune writes, flip and fold rear seat cushions expose a stowage compartment large enough to hold a laptop computer or slim purse. Chevy, 100 years of icons. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Classic Chevrolet, we want to help. Help you find the vehicle that best fits your needs at the price you want to pay. We're conveniently located just west of the DFW Airport's north entrance.